Welcome to Rebuild Your Life, a lifestyle development project to help you build and live a better life. This is our video from the Rebuild Your Body series on healthy eating tips for beginners. As you may know, not fueling up with the right nutrients can affect how well your body performs and your overall fitness benefits. Even though healthy eating is important, there are myths that hinder your performance if you listen to them. Below, you'll find some myth busters on healthy eating. 1. Working out on an empty stomach. If you hear a rumbling noise in your stomach, the rumbling is trying to tell you something. Without listening to them, you are forcing your body to run without any fuel. Before you exercise or do any physical activity, always eat a light snack such as an apple. 2. Relying on energy bars and drinks. Although they are fine every once in a while, they don't deliver the antioxidants you need to prevent cancer. Fruits and vegetables are your best bets, as they are loaded in vitamins, minerals, fluid, and fiber. 3. Skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast is never a good idea, as breakfast starts the day. Your body needs fuel as soon as possible, and without it, you'll be hungry throughout the day. 4. Low-carb diets. Your body needs carbohydrates for your muscles and the storing of energy. Carbs can be found in potatoes, breads, grains, and rice. 5. Eating what you want. Eating healthy and exercising doesn't give you an all-access pass to eat anything you want. Everyone needs the same nutrients whether they exercise or not, as well as fruits and vegetables. 6. Not enough calories. Although losing weight involves calories, losing it too quickly is never safe. What you should do is aim for 1 to 2 pounds a week. Always make sure that you are getting enough calories to keep your body operating smoothly. If you start dropping weight too fast, eat a bit more food. 7. Skip soda and alcohol. Water, milk, and juice is the best to drink for active people. You should drink often, and not require on thirst to be an indicator. By the time you get thirsty, your body is already running a bit too low. Changing how you eat is always a great step towards healthy eating, and it will affect how your body performs. The healthier you eat, the better you'll feel. No matter how old you may be, healthy eating is something you should strive for. Once you give it a chance, you'll see in no time at all just how much it can change your life for the better. Did you enjoy the video? Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. And subscribe to the channel to get all updates from us. Also, discover a great way to start a brand new life. Check out the Rebuild Your Life project, a breakthrough program to help you get the health, mindset, finances and lifestyle you're looking for. Visit our website at rbylproject.com. Or click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.